Happy Veganuary, day 14. My mom is really passionate about avoiding food waste. Some, like her children, might say a tad bit too passionate. But one thing we make from leftovers sounds crazy, but it tastes fantastic. And it's called Bubble and Squeak. Why? No one knows. It's what my grandmother used to call it. But it's delicious either as just a side or on their own as a snack. This is one of those recipes you don't really need to measure. You just use what you have. But basically, you put some olive oil in a pan, put it on medium, and add 1 yellow diced onion. Cook until the onion is translucent. Then add to a mixing bowl. Now add a 3-to-1 ratio of leftover mashed potatoes to leftover cabbage. Season with salt and pepper. Now shape the mixtures into little patties and then fry them in the pan you used for the onion. Put a little more oil. After that's done cooking, that's it. It's done. Alright, here we go. Let's try it. That's so good. That's amazing. Who knew old scrap vegetables could be so yummy? Yummy. And remember, together kids can save the world. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.